Hello, I'm Paul here. Today I'm going to be talking about a new strategy. This is kind of an add-on to the strategy I talked about last week. I stumbled on this extra indicator that I kind of add to the linear strategy. I kind of went through this because I saw from my previous videos from like the CM trend bars, and I want to see if there's like a CM trend bars there's more indicators like that. So I ended up looking in the indicators, and I just randomly found an indicator, and it works really well. And I use this now with an added extra to the linear strategy. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach this new strategy with this new indicator that I just randomly found, and I'm going to do it on FOREX today, and I'm going to go over all the other assets with this one as well, and how it works. But basically, I'm doing FOREX today because I've been right before the market closed Friday before the holiday. I started looking into exotic FOREX pairs. So there's one particular pair that I found that I start being more interested in doing more of the exotic FOREX pairs, and I'll show you which one that is when I start the video. But I only looked into this like right at the end. So once the market opens, I'll be able to get more data. I'm going to be definitely doing this with this strategy on demo. But let me show you how to plug in this formula with. We're going to be looking at the exotic FOREX pair. I'll look at some other FOREX pairs as well with this strategy, and we'll see how to plug this strategy in and how it works, and how to get some pretty good results from it. Okay, so what I did is I actually created a watch list. These are like the top assets that I trade with. It's crypto related, stocks related, and FOREX related. I included the pair on here so I don't forget it. So the pair I'm looking for that we're going to be going over, this new FOREX pair, is the euro with the Turkish dollar, I guess you want to call it. It's the euro with the Turkish. So that's the one that's the new FOREX pair that I go through. So we're going to plug that one. We're going to look at that one today, maybe some other. So we're going for euro with the Turkish. That's going to be kind of hard to say. It's euro with the Turkish. This is one that I found that it's like a personal favorite of mine that I just recently found. And I'll show you when we go over the charts and the formula why I like this one so much. So anyway, let me show you the formula of plugging it in. Now, this is kind of a blend of a combination of a lot of the stuff I've talked about on this channel already. So I have Ghost Market Pro here, which is I only have basically the bottom two here, which is the 90 and the 95. So you don't have to use Ghost Market Pro, but you can plug in your CM, which is what I'm really talking about in this video. You can go to your CM. You go to your CM EMA trend bars, and you can input the numbers 90 and 95. And it will give you the same thing, but I use Ghost Market Pro since I already got it, and I have it on one indicator. So I used Ghost Market Pro to include the 90-95 line here, and it basically shows me if the overall trend is bullish or bearish just by looking, because it's color coded. And then I have the linear regression candles, which I went over last week, so I'm not really going to go into it. So for this formula, you do have to hide your regular candles. So definitely watch the videos I did last week, and you'll get the formula of the linear candles here. And then I have Algo Pro here, really just on and off. This is the reverse suite, and it basically tells me if all the time frames, if it's bearish or bullish. So the new indicator here, since I'm a big fan of the CM EMA trend bars, I just stumbled on this one here, which is the CM Stochastic Pop method. So this is all in the path. All you got to do is look at your indicators and go to CM Pop. It's by Chris Moody, and you should find it here. And then once you load it, it's really simple to understand. It's basically, now I do this on the hour. It seems to have the best results on the hour. But basically, you want to take your focus to this line here. Take your focus to this line here, and basically, when it's passing through, when it crosses the green, that's when you want to enter your trades. And when it's crossing down, that's when you want to, when it's crossing up right here, this is when you want to focus on doing calls and buy orders. When it's crossing down here with the red, that's when you want to focus on sell orders and puts. So we're going to look at this, for example, for the Euro-Turkey Forex pair here. So we're on the hour here, and let's just look at the previous parts of this chart here. We're on the hour. So in order to find a good signal here, I wait for it to be first. The Ghost Market Pro 9095 here has got to be show me the right direction. We need to have a good an idea of what the overall direction is. You never want to go against the trend with this strategy. So we can see right here that the trend is up. So what we look for the green line to be crossing on the CM Stochastic. So that is right here. So this all matches. All this matches here. The green line is crossing up, and you also see it on crossing with the linear candles, and you also see that it's got some momentum because of the 9095. So basically, if you entered your position right here, right about here, and you wrote it up. Now, this is a pretty good strategy because what I look for it to be crossing on the CM Stochastic, and then my exit point is when the candles touch the linear line. So this is basically when I would exit. So you look at your CM Stochastic, and that's when you enter. You exit when the candles start touching the linear line. And it works pretty well. You can see that this move right here, this move from the hour, it took 11 hours, and it was 17,000 pips. Now this is equal or pretty close to what you can get for trading gold, which is why I like this one so much. Now that's 17,000 pips. That's 17,000 pips. If you just did this at 0.01, you would have made $170 right there. So you would have basically turned 1 penny and made $170 out of it. That's why I like the strategy so much, because it has enough momentum in it to, as much as gold does. So let's just find some other moments here. So we can see right here that the linear line, it's going down. It starts right here. You see the red candles going down. I talked about that last week. But you see in the CM Stochastic right here that it crosses down. Let's just zoom in here. Crosses right about. We got to look at the stochastic right about here. Right about here. And this is when you would enter, because that's where it crosses on the CM Stochastic. So you just ride this out and you wait till it touches the linear line, or you can get out sooner. But the linear line kind of helps you figure out when to get out. So you could have got out right here. This is a 62,000 pip move. To give an idea, we got 62366. 62366. 62366, and we times that by the minimum lot size that you have, and that one move you turned 1 penny into $623. This is kind of why I like this exotic forex pair so much. But I want to look here at a couple other examples. So right here you see the green line crossing up on the CM Stochastic. So this would have been another good entry point. Came in right about here, and you rode this out, and it touches the linear line right about here. This is a 37,937 pip move. It took 13 hours for this. It's a 37,937. So 37,937 with the bare minimum lot size here. You turn 1 penny into $379. So I'm going to do this 2 more times, and you guys get the general idea on this strategy. Now, another indicator that I might add here is the consolidation. Just to find moments where something is consolidating to kind of help out. And you can see the consolidation zones. So it kind of helps, it kind of helps to find the moments where not to trade. So we know when to come in. So you see it breaks out of consolidation right about here. So if you come in right about here where the green line crosses the CM Stochastic right about here, came in right about here and you rode this out. I think I may have done this one already, but let's see. This one is a small one. This one is a 9,649 pip move. So that's more along the lines of, that's probably close to about $100 right there. So you don't have to be in here long, but this one does have a lot of volume, as you can tell. We'll do this a couple more times. You can tell that most of the ones you find on the hour will give you some pretty good results. If it's not consolidating, you see it crossing up right here through the CM Stochastic. So you get in right about here, you ride it out until it touches the linear line, which is right about here. This is a 13,688. 13,688. This is a 136. 136. You turned a penny into $136. So you can see that this will really blow up an account. Now I'm gonna end it here on a downtrend. This one right here, you could see that as an indication is below the linear line right here. There is out of consolidation. You see that it's going down right here, so you would enter right about here, and you ride it out till it touches the linear line, which is right about here. This one is a 19,683 pip move. So off of a 0.01 lot size, this is you turned a penny basically into $196. Now, if your balance is big enough to do it at $1, this would have turned into $19,683. So you can see that trading with this exotic forex pair, which a lot of people I don't think talk about, but I basically just stumbled on this indicator and then stumbled on this exotic pair. And with these two together, it works really well. You get the same kind of results you do if you were to be trading gold. But I think the signals on this are much easier to find than trading gold, which is why I think that you could actually make a lot by just focusing on doing it with this exotic forex pair. Now I stumbled on the exotic forex pair right before the market. It always happens right when the market's closing and before the holiday. But I stumbled on this CM Stochastic and this exotic forex pair right after the market closed. So I'm going to try this out on a demo, and what I want to see is I want to try and look at it on the minimum by doing it on a, doing it on a demo account and doing it with a 0.01 and doing it on a demo account with $1. What I want to see and what I want to test is how much does it go down between, doing it at 1 cent to $1. So what I really want to aim for personally, this is just me personally, is I want to try and get this at a $1 lot size, because if you can do it at a $1 lot size, you could really flip your account really fast on this. So anyway, at the dollar amount, I want to see kind of how much it goes up and down and how much you potentially will lose as it's fluctuating. So I'm going to be doing that on a demo account. I might make some statistics on my communities tab. But anyway, this combination works really well by using the CM stochastic with the linear line strategy with exotic pairs. Now this exotic pair is the euro with the Turkish pair, which a lot of people don't talk about, but it has a lot of volume to it, so it works on the same level as trading gold, but I think trading gold is more volatile than this. With this one, you can find the signals a lot easier. Now I did this on the hour. The hour you can easily find the 20,000 pips. But you can do this on smaller time frames if you want. I'm not doing this on smaller time frames. But anyway, if you guys like this video, if you want to see more, I will be talking about this particular strategy with the other assets, with stocks, crypto, and gold this week, because I want people to understand the strategy as well. But anyway, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys for future videos.